Thank you for joining me for today's bird walk. This morning we're back at the inlet. Let's go birding. Oh, you can hear that song sparrow singing. Oh, there it is. Let's get a shot of it. Okay, let's keep moving. Nice way to start the day with the song sparrow. Oh, what do we got on there? Different type of sparrow, I think. Okay, let's just wait for it to see if it pops back out. Oh, looks like there's two of them. Oh, I think a third bird's doing them. Give it another minute here and see if they come out. That might have been a warbler that just came in. Oh. Oh yeah, there's a warbler. Okay, I'm gonna hang tight. Oh, and a hummingbird. Wow, it's a hot spot. Okay, well, that was exciting at least. They all got quiet. I think I can hear the warbler behind me now. Merlin ID is saying here's a Wilson's warbler. Oh, and a yellow-rumped warbler. Okay, sparrows are coming back out, but they're scaring each other. Looks like a white-crowned sparrow. Oh. And a larger, looks like it's a golden crowned. Hard to say, it's not a... Oh, there's a third. That one has a bit more of a prominent golden crown, but I don't mind sticking around just since I saw that warbler pop out too. It'd be great to get a shot of a Wilson's warbler today. Problem is, when I'm looking through the viewfinder, it's easy to miss lots. Well, he went running up the road. Okay, well, let's follow. We can hear some like seabirds out on the inlet. And gulls. We'll poke her head out there, but let's just quickly. Oh, it's up there. I think maybe an orange-crowned warbler. Oh, that one's a yellow. rumped. It's definitely a yellow rump warbler. Those ones seem to have moved on. Okay, let's keep looking. Let's see a crow, a couple gulls down here. All right, keep working on our gulls and get these two guys. Oh, there's a killdeer. Or a plover. I'm not sure. Let's see. Oh, that was cool. I just spotted the movement. It's got a black tip on its bill, some black on its wings. Okay, well, let me sneak up just a tiny bit. Try not to disturb this. Oh, robin just flew by. I can tuck in here right behind this grass. There. It's always nice to get a little tighter. Into the light, but looks like two of them. Oh, there we go up here. And here are the oyster catchers. Oh, there they go. What do we got here? Let's just make sure we get a good look at it. Okay, let's keep wandering up. Let's see what else we can see. You can see the wind's kicked up. Okay, that's a good example of the different gulls. So yeah, it's got the dark bill at the end. Kind of yellowish legs. Okay. Whereas these ones are larger, which tend to be the most common here. See what other gulls and whatnot's up there. Keep my eyes on these. Okay, let's see if we can see anything of note. Okay. Oh yeah, they are surf scotters diving down. Okay, I'll just scan the shoreline. All right, well, let's just, I think I've got that one covered pretty well. So I should get this gull. Yeah. Okay, let's just keep looking. See the weather starting to move in. Just tuck into the woods again here and just see if anything else is taking any shelter in the woods. Song sparrow's still there, just singing away. There he is up there. Pretty sure I've got you covered already. Okay, let's keep looking. See what we might find in the forest. Wander through the thicker part. I think that's a flycatcher, but I don't think I'll be able to capture it on camera right just now, so we'll keep looking around. I think that's the Pacific wren I could hear. Okay, I can finally... Okay, there's a bird up there. Let's see if we can back up and somehow grab a shot. I think those are the flycatchers up there. Let's see. No, I think they're way in the treetops there. Okay, well, we'll keep moving. I can hear these wrens singing, so maybe we can spot a wren. Usually it seems like you get one on each side of this little path singing to each other. And I could hear one on the right here. Oh, I think I hear one on the left as well. All right. Not go too marching up there and scare them away. Yeah, I'm in between two. Let's see if I can find them. Oh yeah, on top of the stump. Like they usually are. Okay, yeah, there's one. stump. Okay, let's see if I can get a little closer. Got my shot. There's some people coming. Oh, there's another one. Oh, there it is. Okay. Oh, it's a nice light. Okay, it's on this stump. Actually, there's a little bit of a path I can take here. There. And this one's going to join in with the singing. There he goes. They're pretty vocal today. Oh yeah, back there. Okay, that was a great time with the wrens in the forest. Well, thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe. I got lots more videos coming. See you next time.